Hey everyone, welcome to Iflab Digital. So today I'm going to show you real quick how to be able to generate leads using AI. You basically lead scraping, lead generation, whatever you may call it, how you can be able to scrape data of any person, both their phone number and their email, and it's more of a personal email, not a work email, depending on the kind of lead you want. If you want B2B leads, it's also possible to get them. So I use a tool called Jeeva AI, and it absolutely works so good. There's no other tool that I've used before that does what Jeeva AI does. And using it is super easy. All you need to do is just to sign up for this uh, account. You sign up at Jiva AI. I'll give you the link under description. You just go straight forward and create an account there. Get started with 5-day free trial, absolutely free. And then you just add your card details. There will be no charging, just straightforward. And then you get into this account and go to find leads. There are two different ways you can find leads. It's either you find leads, your ideal customer profile, and find the leads, find jobs, find the companies, find decision makers, find local businesses. These usually use Google Maps, depending on the area that you are in. Uh, find similar companies. But for today, I just want to show you how to get um, the phone numbers and the emails, the name, the company, job title of a person, or the kind of demographic you're trying to look for and target. So you come here under the enrich. So these are some of the different way. Maybe you have like emails and you want to get phone numbers for them. That's what we call enrichment of your leads. So you can either enrich your existing list, enrich leads with email or the phone numbers, or it basically with whatever it's missing, you can enrich it using Jiva AI. So what I want us to use is this function here, which is popular. Find anyone's email and phone number. So once you click here, there's a prompt that comes here because this is all using natural language. So you're going to key in a prompt. For example, find for me 100 leads who are small business owners in cities of Scotland, United Kingdom, with their email addresses and phone numbers. So what I'm going to do here, let's change this to, for example, like Wales, right? And then all you need to do is just to hit OK, and you relax, and that's it. The AI will handle the rest. You can see it's now reasoning. It's going to come up with an implementation plan for lead generation, and it's you can see all the details that it's coming up with, getting to know who we are talking to, which location, the company size. We've basically said small business owners. If you want to target hairdressers, barbers, real estate agents, salespersons, any type of persons you want to target, this tool will help you definitely to get there. It has other amazing features, but for this, let's just focus on this first. So immediately it gives you something super unique, which is called AI scoring. It scores each leads that you've gotten to tell you whether the probability of you closing that lead, if it's high or low, so that you know which leads to focus on. And once it's done, my internet is a little bit slow. I just wanted to show you. You can see there's a table coming up here. So that's what we want to get. So the lead search is completed. We'll create a table here. There it is. So this is the table. You can see the 100 rows of the leads that we are looking for, and all these people here you get to see. Yeah. So I don't want to show you their emails. Yeah. So this is it. So when you get all these leads and then you hit download as a CSV or an Excel sheet, you get something familiar to this. So this is where you're going to see their first name, email, job title, LinkedIn profile, location, company name, website, all that. And then these are the lead score. You can see this is 900 out of 100, so it's pretty good. And all these are people who have their own businesses. So this is what I mean. You can generate leads easily and target them. So I hope that helps. All you need to do is just use the link in my description, sign up for the account, and get started with that. Yeah, that's all for now. Follow for more videos. Thank you so much.